So this is the bathroom here, guys. Yep, that's the bathroom right here. So it's time, guys, to give you a room tour of Sky Blue Hotel. Yeah, so this bathroom, I already used it a little bit. Got a nice sink, and I like the way they have the boiler in here as well. So it's actually well organized. So it is the boiler, guys. You can see the clock underneath the bottom. Yeah, that's the perfect. And this is me in the mirror, guys. You know who I am, yeah. And I love the way they have the shower as well, guys. You know, the shower is so amazing. So look at that shower. That is really amazing. The floor is not too bad. I say be careful when you stand in it, guys. You know, it's a bit slippery on the floor. And I like the way they make the vent as well. The vent is amazing. The way the vent been made as well. And little cupboard if you want to put your little soap and things like that. Your shower gel. Any little thing, you know, you want to put. And I like the way they have the soap container here as well. You can squeeze the soap here. So that's really, really nice. And now let me share the room with you. So this is the bed here, guys. Yep. As I said, guys, I've already laid it, so it look a bit crushed up. Don't worry about that, that was me. And you got the amazing wardrobe as well. This is the inside of the wardrobe. Okay, and your clothes up here. You put things here. You put things down the bottom. Also, you can put things just on the side of your bed, on your left and right side. And this is the other side of the wardrobe. Step 2. You've got the mirror here as well, guys, which is amazing. This is the other side. You slide. The same, top, bottom. Yep, top, middle, and bottom. Yep. So that's really, really nice, you know. Then you got the nice settee over here as well, which is very nice. You sit here. Then you also have a table and a chair over here with a kettle over here as well, guys, you know, so you got all that over here as well. So that is really amazing. Got a phone if you want to call downstairs. It's got also a flat screen LG TV, Sony. Also it got a fridge as well. Right here. It have an amazing fridge here. That's really nice. Yes. But it don't have a balcony in this room now. But it just have a nice window view, guys, when you look through. Yes, here in Istanbul, guys, Sky Blue Hotel. I'll put all the link down in the description for you guys. So when you come to the hotel, you guys can get to have a nice little tour, you know, of this hotel, and also sleep here at night, guys. The Wi-Fi is not too bad as well, guys. Wi-Fi is included, but it's all okay as well, guys. The flooring is done very nicely. I love the way they done the flooring, guys. The flooring is just fantastic. So it was a happy night, you know. Then you got your little drawers them at the side of the bed as well. Don't forget your little drawers. You can put your little belongings inside. Then also you got a plug here as well. And also on the other side it's the same. So the room size is very nice, guys. Also you have the air con you can use here as well. And also you can turn it to radiator as well, because sometimes it get a bit cold here in Istanbul, but mostly in the winter it get cold here. So I'm very happy with this room, guys. Really, really nice. This is the full room tour, guys. Okay, guys, so that is the Sky Blue Hotel right there, guys. Yep, this is just the outside of it. Sky Blue. Welcome to Sky Blue Hotel here in Istanbul. Yes, guys, and this is just the front part where you come in. Yeah, so this will be the front part when you come in the hotel. Yeah, you got our taxi driver, private taxi driver can drop you here, guys. But we're having a bit of rain here at the moment, you know, so anyway, this is the room tour, guys. So anyway, guys, it's time to jump in a taxi and go on to my next journey. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this amazing room tour. It's time to just show you a little bit of a little driving tour, guys. So this driving tour, enjoy the driving tour while I'm in this amazing taxi with all these Christmas lights above the ceiling. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy. Okay, guys, so this is the outside of the tour I'm giving you. It's really, really rainy outside today, guys. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right, guys, you know, it's really, really good price, you know, so come here to Marrakesh, guys. The square market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah. at the color. We got such amazing color in here. Look at that. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American, 5 Filipinos.
Follow him. Rocket's video is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. But you know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys. You know, so I'm very famous in this country.